Mini eggs because your kids watch the tiny hamster eat the tiny burrito on YouTube. And now they want tiny food, like those tiny marshmallows you'd use to make little bunny tail cookies for Easter. Luckily, Target has Market Pantry mini marshmallows for just 99 cents and Cadbury mini eggs on sale for just $2.89. Use your Target debit or credit red card to save an extra 5% and put some hop in your Target run. Some restrictions apply. See program rules in store or target.com/redcard for details. Price is good through April 4th. Pricing and availability may vary.
I lost my daughter Chrissy to cancer. She was just 45 years old, but in her final hours, she chose to give me the ultimate gift. My vision was failing. Through a cornea transplant, Chrissy gave me the gift of sight.
One person can improve the quality of life for up to 25 people.
Cancer didn't define Chrissy. Her giving spirit did.
It takes less than a minute to join the Secretary of State's Organ and Tissue Donor Register. Go to lifegoeson.com.
I could see so much better. The eyes are the mirror to the soul. Now through Chrissy's eyes, I can see and experience so much joy. Through her eyes, I've seen her daughter's wedding and the birth of my beautiful great-granddaughter.
Each year, 300 people die waiting for a transplant. Give the gift of life. Become an organ and tissue donor today by visiting lifegoeson.com.
Chrissy's gift changed the life you can too.
Music every hour.